Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to demonstrate waveform pattern. I will explain the step-by-step process of making and final form with annotations for mountain and valley folds. In order to make 4 parts, divide paper into half and again those parts into half. You get 4 parts. Draw a semicircle by keeping a point of the compass on extreme side of the crease. I usually prefer to draw with really light marks of the pencil. Draw another semicircle from opposite side of the last crease as shown in this video. Now connect these 2 points together to form a slanted line. Take 2 cm measurements and draw marks on the circle like this. The 2 cm size is an optional. You can take either more or less. If you take lesser than 2 cm, there will be more folds. That means the pattern will be intricate. And if you take more than 2 cm size in this compass, then it will be less number of folds. That means the pattern will look very simple. Once we complete the marking on the circular lines, draw lines originated from the center points. These lines are nothing but the guides to make folds. In this pattern, these are equidistant. To explore further, they don't have to be equidistant. That means you can explore with number of possibilities of patterns. Now let's quickly recap. The size of the paper in mm is 110 by 296. Draw circles and connect them together, and from the same center points, draw lines spread across the paper through the guides of the markings. Now let's start to fold. Here we flatten the paper and draw a freehand line, which is a wave line on this pattern. After making the paper flat, I drew more circles, which are concentric circles, so that I get a guide to draw these slanted lines, which is also a zigzag pattern, or you can call it as a Miura fold pattern or V pleat pattern.